Hello, today I'm going to show you the very basics of how to use OneNote. I'll start by showing you how to access OneNote on your computer. Microsoft OneNote is available through your Microsoft 365 login on your web browser. As you can see, I've already logged on to my Microsoft account on my web browser and this is my home page. If this is not your home page, you will definitely have the 9-dot menu at the top, which you can click and it will bring up your apps. If you don't have OneNote as one of your apps, as I do, you can click on More Apps and it will bring you to this screen. As you can see, OneNote is not one of the apps along the top of my screen, so I'll click on All Apps and it will bring me to all of the apps available to me on my Microsoft login. I just need to click on OneNote, which is in the middle here for me, and that will bring me to my OneNote page. As you can see, I have a notebook already here. Yours will have your name, and I click on that, and that will bring me to my notebook.